Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. We're doing an update on the S&P 500. So we already know what happened on the original analysis. So let's go here. Let's go here. So we know that the market was here, closed out at 41.78 on Wednesday. So ended up moving up, hitting the target, and making the high, 42.11. So that was money to be made there. Anybody that got in at 41.77? Hey, that was a nice amount of pips right there. That was a nice amount of pips. We're talking about 23 pips to the upside, which if you're trading S&P, that's a lot of money right there. That's a lot of money. You could have made a lot of money on that. It did come back to that price, as you can see right here. Came back below that. And I think as of right now, S&P is finna move down. So they made this high. So let's go ahead and put this here. We're gonna change this to orange, and we're gonna make this a previous high. That previous high there, right here, that was the high point at that point. We'll change this price target to for the 111 even. Right, high. There we go. Got a high. So now we're gonna go here. Trend line on this thing. Moving down. I believe it's gonna go for a little further. So this would be, we'll put this area here as a possible area where buyers will come in. Possible area where buyers can come in. 41.98. So I think this thing can move down a little bit more. Try to break this trend line, but get back in here. Maybe range a little bit, and let's get out above at least for a retest of this price, or over the next couple of weeks. So we're gonna say it. We're gonna at least come retest that price and make it a little bit more higher. Am I gonna project out a little bit further? No, I'm just gonna stay a few weeks out. So that's the analysis, guys. That's the update. Alex Jenkins checking out.